Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to embed a Facebook reviews app on Wix. This is a great way to showcase customer feedback directly on your website, building trust and credibility with visitors. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, look for the option labeled Site and Mobile App and click on it. A drop-down selection will appear, and from there, click on Website. This step ensures you're accessing the correct site where you want to display your Facebook reviews. From here, you can preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment to make sure that this is indeed the website you wish to add the Facebook review app to. It's always good to double-check, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. Once you've confirmed you're on the right website, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to customizing your site. Start by locating the Add Apps button on the left navigation menu and click on it. An expanded menu will appear, giving you access to a wide variety of apps and integrations. From the Add Apps menu, locate the search bar and type in Facebook review, then hit Enter. You'll see several results pop up, so look carefully for the one listed with the description Easily display Facebook reviews on your site. Once you find it, click on it to proceed. You'll be directed to the Facebook reviews overview page. Take a moment to scroll down and read through the product information and app functions. It's also helpful to check the user reviews and pricing plans to make sure this app fits your needs. Once you're ready, scroll back up and click on Add to Site. You'll be presented with the app permission request, which lists the items the app needs access to. Click on each item to read through the access requests and understand what permissions you're granting. Once you're comfortable with everything, click on Agree and Add. Keep in mind that it might take a while to install, so be patient. Once the installation is finished, you'll see the Facebook review element added directly to your Wix website, ready to display your customer feedback. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.